Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create an Upwork account. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, head over to any web browser on your PC or laptop and type in Upwork and click on the first link from upwork.com. Now give this a few moments to load up and now you'll come to this page, and from here a pop-up might appear, so you can sign in with your email address. So you can either click on get started or sign up to Upwork with Google. So I recommend with Google, so I'm going to pick Tutorial Wiz, continue as Tutorial Wiz. Now this is verifying and logging me in. And now you've got a few different options here. I'm a client hiring for a project, or I'm a freelancer. So choose which best describes you. So I'm going to be doing, I'm a client hiring for a project. So I'm going to join as a client. So you're going to put in your first name and last name. So go ahead and do that now. And then send me emails and tips how to find talent that fits my needs. You can have that checked or unchecked. And then you got to make sure you tick the box where it says, yes, I understand and agree to the Upwork terms of service. So I'll have a read of them and then click on yes, and then click on create my account. And now that's going to go ahead and create your Upwork account. And there you go. Congratulations, your account has been created. Let's get you started. So now this is going to go back to the main page of Upwork. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. How to create an account on Upwork. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.